To flip an image in Canva, let's bring in the image you want to flip. I will go over to my elements here and I want to bring in this image. This is the image I want to flip. Let me take it here. I just want to duplicate this image so we have a copy of what we are doing. I'll click on duplicate here. I'll have this image as doubled. I'll click on this one and come over to the editing toolbar on here, and you will see flip. And if you click on flip, you have the option to flip it horizontal or flip vertical. If you want to mirror the images, flipping horizontal is the perfect way to do that. You can see this image is mirroring each other. But if you want to flip in a different direction, let me click this and go back to flip. You can also flip vertical. You see that it's now turning upside down when you flip vertical.